Assalamu alaikum from English Urdish. Animals and their homes. Cat tree. A cat lives in a cat tree. Hutch. Rabbits live in a hutch. Anthill. Ants live in anthill. Stable. Horse lives in a stable. Beehive. Bees live in a hive. Nest. A bird lives in a nest. Cave. A lion lives in a cave. Mouse hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Water. Fish live in water. Burrow. A penguin lives in a burrow. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Spiderweb. A spider lives in a web. Owl roost. An owl lives in owl roost. Chicken coop. Chickens live in a coop. Barn. Cows live in a barn. Sheep pen. Sheep live in a pen. Forest. Elephant lives in forest. Desert. Camels live in desert. Den. A bear lives in a den. Tree hollow. A squirrel lives in a tree hollow. Tree. A koala lives in a tree. Burrow. A snake lives in a burrow. Tree. A monkey lives in trees.